like overnight my car was absolutely coated with pollen.
I mean, the good news is the rain should help with that, right?
Good.
So that is kind of the trade-off that we're going to be dealing with. Yesterday was gorgeous. Now we're dealing with kind of a yucky, drizzly day, and then we have some heavy rain heading our way by tomorrow morning. Take a look at this beautiful picture, some kids playing in the park. This is sent in from our weather watcher, Phil. He said yesterday was warm and it was also delightful. Fast forward to today, another picture from Phil. What does he say here? Today it's cold and wet. Yeah, it's a damp day out there. It's certainly not beautiful at all. Weather watchers are checking in with temperatures that are right now in the 40s and some spots in the 30s, like Downingtown, right around 39 degrees is 40. In Wilmington, according to Lisa, Peter in Lawrenceville says 41 in his backyard. So you kind of get the picture. It's raw, it's nasty out there. And unfortunately, that's going to be the case throughout the entire day, and certainly has been a shock to the system. 81 degrees at 6 o'clock yesterday evening. Fast forward to 6 o'clock this morning, just a period of 12 hours. Man, we dropped to 43 degrees. So a significant temperature drop took place, and now we have 30s and 40s across the entire region. We had a backdoor cold front that moved on through. We call it a backdoor front because it approaches from a different direction, northeast kind of to southwest, and that's what's been influencing us with this east and northeasterly wind that we're dealing with. That is pushing off of the colder ocean water right now in the 40s, so that's why we have this marine influence of just yucky, damp air across the region, and that's why temperatures are also much, much cooler out there. 41 degrees at Philadelphia International. It's 42 in Allentown. We're actually right around 32 degrees up in the Poconos. Wind speeds 20 miles per hour sustained in Trenton, 18 miles per hour sustained in Philadelphia. It's going to be a breezy day out there, and these winds are actually going to make temperatures in the 40s feel more like the 30s all day. So we don't make it out of the 40s today, and it's going to feel like the 30s when you factor in that wind out of the east at 10 to 20, gusting to 30 miles per hour at times. Another frontal boundary heads our way. Right now it's located out to our west. So all of this precipitation, these storms, these showers, these clouds are associated with that cold front. That's going to be swinging on through as we head into tomorrow morning. So tonight into Monday, we're going to be dealing with rain developing. It will be heavy at times, especially during the morning commute. So the morning commute is going to be impacted. Go ahead and plan on giving yourself some extra time tomorrow morning. Localized flooding possible. Urban areas, small creeks, streams, keeping an eye on that. Strong and gusty winds also, especially with that line that moves through, which I'll show you here on future weather. Throughout the day today, we'll have some spotty showers, the drizzle, the misty conditions, perhaps even a little freezing rain possible up into the Poconos. And then things start to pick up a little bit later on this evening, and tonight it gets a little bit more steady. We'll deal with some heavier pockets, heavier downpours possible in some locations as we head into the overnight hours tonight. Some warmer air starts to seep in as well as we head into tomorrow morning. Then can you pick out where the front's located? Very, very heavy downpours, perhaps some thunderstorms also moving through, probably making their way through I-95 right into Center City between about 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock in the morning. And we're not going to see things really improving until the second half of the day, and even then we could have a stray shower lingering around. As far as rainfall amounts, generally thinking anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain can be possible, but locally higher amounts certainly a possibility as well. Your 7-day forecast, 54 degrees on Tuesday, some sunshine. Wednesday looking like the nicest day out of the next 7 with a high of 63 degrees. That's seasonable. Jan?
Chelsea, thank you.